crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video for you today. This is a Simon Says Stamp and Gina K Designs card kit, and this is one of the Create Together classes that Simon Says Stamp does. This one is called the Merry and Light card kit, and there is a coordinating class. The class is on November 21st, 2025 at 12 p.m. Eastern, and that is on the Simon Says Stamp YouTube channel. And if you aren't able to attend at that time, it'll be available on YouTube forever and ever. Also, you do not need to purchase the kit to go to the class. The class is for free. So you could use your own supplies and check that class out and see if you can pick up some tips and tricks and learn new things and all that good stuff. Alright, I will say that this kit is sold out at the time of filming this, but Simon Says Stamp has put together a few other bundles if you're interested in any of the products, and once we open this up and go through, I'll show you what's included in some of the other bundles. So, alright, without further ado, and I will list all of the pieces in the kit in the description box, and also over on my blog at egidesigns.com. So if there's anything in here that you are interested in and you just want to purchase separately, you can do that. So let us see. And I had totally forgotten until right now that I had purchased extra things in here. These are not included in the kit, but if you are interested in, I added them to my order. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. This is the Polyglaze, the Merry and Light Greetings, and this coordinates with the kit. This is if you've never used Polyglaze before, basically these are foilable sheets, and wherever you see the gray, that is what the foil is going to stick to. So you would cut out, trim out whatever you wanted, whatever image or sentiment you want. You take a piece of foil, and you want to use the deco foil, fancy foils, the ones that look like this. You don't want to use the glimmer foil, that will not work. But if you use the deco foil or fancy foils, you run it through your laminator, ink machine, fuse machine, any of those, the foil will only stick to where the gray is. And I can also link a video that I made showing how to use this product. So if you haven't done that before, let's see what's in here. Lots of goodies. I think I got it. Oh, where do I even start? I wonder, okay, I don't know if there is a map in this one, so we will have to wing it. First thing, we have a coupon, $5 off, and the code is comfy, and this is good through November 20th, so if you're going to place an order with Simon, be sure to use that code. Alright. So first we have two Simon brushes. We have the large and we have the smaller one. And these are great. So this one's a great detail brush, and this is so soft and so good for ink blending. So you get that. I get a little sticker. That's so cute. Alright, these are the Simon sequins, and they are gold. They are very, very sparkly, and they are very tiny, and they do have a little hole in the middle. But so this would be great in a shaker card. We got a lollipop, and then let's see, we have a new ink colors. from Gina K. We have light cranberry, medium cranberry, dark cranberry, and medium spruce. The medium spruce is part of the spruce trio, but this is a perfect addition to this 4-pack because it's very Christmassy. But the cranberry colors are brand new and they are beautiful. And then we have the Grand Poinsettia, and it's an embossing folder and a die set. So in here cuts out the main full image, and then it's got 2 little sprig things. So if you were going to put this on a card, you know, you could make the poinsettia and add the sprigs around, or just you could even use these sprigs on like a different project. So it'd be very versatile. Let's see, and then there is a stencil set that goes with this to color it in. So that's awesome. That makes that so much easier. And then for the rest of it, this is the stamp and die set. This is so beautiful. Look at the fonts on these. I just love the swirly, and the snowflakes are great. And wishing you a holiday season filled with love. A holiday gift just for you. May your days be merry and your heart be light. That's so sweet. And the Merry Christmas. And there's a to and a from, and they are separate, so you could use those for a tag. And then the die set cuts out all of the pieces. And for the sentiments, it also cuts out the insides. So inside the little swooshies, it'll cut that out, and it cuts right around. Look at that. I love the from, that big swooshy tail on there. That's great. Alright, so we have that. And then we have the paper. And then I was reading online that you get, this must be the 80. This is the Nina classic white, and this is the 80 pound. You can feel it's a little bit lighter. This is the midnight green. Will go very well with that for Christmas and holiday cards. This is from Simon Says Stamp, and this is heavyweight. I believe it's 100, but I will have that in the description box. And then you have the Nina, I think this might be 110 pound, and it's very thick. So great for card bases and making your holiday cards. So after all of that, so there are additional bundles available. At this time, the Grand Poinsettia is not available because embossing folders take about 6 months to manufacture and then get here. So they would not be included in any of the other bundles because they wouldn't get here in time for the class. There is a bundle that is just the stamp and die. You can just get the stamp. You can get things individually. There is a bundle that is the stamp, die, Polyglaze, and ink. You can get the ink pack by itself, and you can get the Polyglaze by itself. So there's a lot of different kind of combos that Simon Says Stamp has put together for you to be able to purchase the kit contents. And then as far as the other things go, like these are just available all the time, and I will have them in the description box, as well as the papers. So, all right, that is it. There is our unboxing for the day. This kit is so gorgeous, and this stamp set is perfect for your holiday card making. So if you're interested in that, go and you might have to go on a pre-order depending on what bundle you want, but be sure to do that so that you can get all the goodies in time. And if you have enjoyed this video today and want to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel, and it greatly helps me in getting out my content to other crafters just like you. If you want to stick around, I'll put my card making playlist up top. I can also put my unboxing playlist if you want to check that out, so you can get some card ideas and inspiration. And I will be sure to link that Polyglaze video for you if you're interested in checking that out. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Come join me on Pinterest, Facebook, and my blog at egidesigns.com. And until next time, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.